Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunitha. In today's video, I am going to make a ball decor. So for that material required were MDF board, 3D outliner, some decorative mirror of different shapes and size. Okay, let's start. I took MDF board of 8 by 8 inch. Then I am going to place the mirror in the center. After that I took 1 inch space in all 4 sides. Then again I left 1 inch space in 2 sides. For 3D outliner, first I will make a cone with thick plastic sheet. Hold the sheet and fold it in a manner to make a cone and stick a tape inside. Then again fold and stick a tape to the last. To make 3D outliner, I took 3 spoons of FEVICOL with 3 spoons of talcum powder or baby powder of any brand. Mix it without forming any lump. These type of outliners are available in market also, you can buy that also. Place the cone in a glass. By doing this, it will be easy to pour the paste to the cone. Fill the cone to 1/3 portion only. Secure the edges with the tape. Apply 2 layers of acrylic coating to the MDF board. After drying, start outlining. Giving a thick outline. The color of the paste is of this skin color because I use talcum powder of sandal fragrance. Otherwise it will be white in color. If you are not comfortable with the cone, you can even pour the paste in a FEVICOL bottle or any other bottle like that and use like a cone. The design part is over. Let it dry for 5 hours. I already paste small circle shape mirror when the paste is wet, as the circles are very small. Now after drying, the board is ready for coloring. I am using acrylic color blue, red, green and yellow for coloring. using yellow color for the design. Coloring part is over. Now I am going to paste these small mirrors. These are of different shapes. I just place the mirror to see how it looks. Now I am pasting it with FEVICOL. I pasted a lace with tassel in the bottom. You can even use pom-pom lace that also look good with this. At this stage you can paste an idol of Ganesha or any other god or goddesses, or even you can try pasting some miniature painting of bunny etc. I am just giving some suggestions. You can even paste lace with this. All this will enhance your decoration. I am just pasting mirror in this. You can even make hanging like this with 2 or 3 boards. Okay friends, final reveal of the decor. Do subscribe to my channel, share my video. I hope you like my video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. If you like my video, share it to your family and friend. Okay friends, take care. Bye bye. Thank you all for your valuable comments. Thank you for watching.